Hi, I'm Gary Marbett. I'm the owner of Target Operator Systems. I'm the inventor and manufacturer of the drop-turn target operator unit. I'm also the only employee of Target Operator Systems, so when you deal with Target Operator Systems, you deal with me. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you a little information about what the drop-turn target operator unit is, what it does, and how it can be useful on your range. The drop-turn target operator unit is a gravity-operated piece of shooting range equipment. Therefore, it's totally independent of any source of power, electrical, or compressed air. That means you can position it anywhere on the range that you want it for your course of fire, for your training or qualification purposes. It is made out of all steel. It's rugged construction with continuous gas-shielded welds for long life. The drop-turn target operator will accommodate any target that can be mounted on wooden 1x2s 18 inches apart, such as this target here. Simply put the wooden 1x2s into the pockets provided. The unit begins with the target on edge to the shooter, so the target is essentially invisible to the shooter. When it's tripped, the target turns to face the shooter for a limited and controllable period of time that can be adjusted from half a second up to 10 seconds. At the end of the set period of target exposure, the unit turns the target so it's again on edge to the shooter. Now we'll show you how that looks with the slowest setting, which will be about 10 seconds. This is the fastest setting, which should give about a half second of target exposure to the shooter. On the bottom of the target operator shaft, there's a piston, which compresses a column of air in the main target operator tube. The air is released at a nipple, a welded nipple down here at the bottom of the tube. There are a variety of different sized jets that come with the unit that are applied to the nipple at the bottom of the tube that control the rate of air release from the tube and therefore the speed of the unit and the duration of the target exposure. So you can adjust, using these jets, you may adjust the duration of target exposure on a range from a half second up to 10 seconds to give you the timing you need for whatever course of fire you may put the drop-turn target operator in. The unit comes with a lead splatter guard to protect the nipple and its flange cap from any lead splatter that might be encountered on the range. The unit is tripped with a 1-pound pull on a string from any other device on the range. It can be a falling steel target, an opening door, a trip string, the range officer or the shooter himself who would actually trip the unit by pulling on the string. We'll show you how it works. The string gets pulled, the unit's tripped and it's operated. The unit can be set so that it will appear suddenly and drop and turn and remain presented to the shooter so the shooter will continue to have the target available to him. Simply put a small 1/4-inch bolt through the hole in the main target operator shaft. That stops the descent. So when the unit is tripped, it'll come down and stay presented to the shooter and stop. Because the unit turns the target through a full 180 degrees, it can also be used to switch from a no-shoot to a shoot target during a course of fire, or vice versa. For use on an outdoor range, the unit comes with pre-drilled holes so that it can be staked in place in a course of fire. Or, for use on an indoor range, the legs can be sandbagged in place to hold the unit in place. This drop-turn target operator unit is the most flexible, the most versatile, proven, reliable, and cost-effective piece of equipment of its type on the market today. It's been proven in literally thousands of IPSC shooting matches and by use in law enforcement agencies across the United States. So the drop-turn target operator is a gravity-operated target carrier unit. It requires only gravity and atmospheric air. It does not require pressurized air. So if you have gravity and if you have air on your range, you can find ways to use this unit in your courses of fire and qualification courses.